In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Printify to WooCommerce. We'll go through the full setup process from inside WordPress and Printify so the two platforms can communicate properly. Before you start, make sure you can access both your WordPress admin area and your Printify account, because we'll be moving between them a few times. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, go to Settings, then Permalinks. Here, make sure your permalink structure is set to anything other than plain. This matters because some integrations, including WooCommerce connections, rely on a more compatible URL structure to work correctly. After selecting any option besides plain, click Save Changes. Next, go to WooCommerce, then Settings, and then Advanced. In that area, select Legacy API and check the box to enable the Legacy REST API. Once that's enabled, click Save Changes. This step helps prepare WooCommerce so Printify can connect and exchange store data properly. Now switch over to your Printify account and log in. In the top right corner, click the user icon and choose My Stores. From there, click Add New Store and select WooCommerce. At this point, Printify will ask for your store URL. Open a new tab, return to your WordPress dashboard, and copy your live full store URL. Make sure you use the correct public-facing store address since that's what Printify will use to connect. Then go back to Printify, paste the URL into the field provided, and click Connect. You should now see a WooCommerce authorization prompt. When that appears, click Approve to authorize the integration. This gives Printify permission to connect with your WooCommerce store. After that, head back to your WordPress admin dashboard, go to Plugins, then Add New. In the search bar, type Printify for WooCommerce. When you find it, click Install Now, and once the installation is complete, click Activate. This plugin helps complete the connection on the WordPress side and makes ongoing syncing much smoother. Finally, go to WooCommerce, then Settings, then Shipping, and open Shipping Options. In this section, make sure Default to Customer Shipping Address is selected. Once that's set, save your changes. This is an important final check to help ensure shipping is handled correctly when customer orders come through. And that's it. Your Printify and WooCommerce connection should now be set up and ready to use. If you found this helpful, you can now move on to syncing products and testing your store setup.